Yes, good day everyone, and welcome to Global Gift TV. Today I will show you how to exchange one crypto coin to another using Trust Wallet. It is super easy and it is faster. I make this video because some of you guys used to ask me, how can I change my BNB to Tron? How can I change my DOGE to TRX? In this video I'll be showing you how to go about it. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel to watch videos, guys. Today I'm using a site called Fixed Float. First thing you are going to do is that you are going to sign up. You put your email, your password, and your complete and your confirm password. Click to verify. After that, you sign up. Click on this. Set it to load. Here, you put in the card there. Click on sign in. Click on sign in. Yes, it is very easy and it is very easy. Yeah, let's check the recent transaction under here. Let's check it. Someone transfer 205 USDT to USDT BNB to USDT BM. This is there. And someone transfer USDT to BTC. Just that 23 minutes ago. So the first thing I'm going to do is that after signing up, you put your exchange here. The one you want to exchange, maybe the one you want to transfer it from, maybe it's SA Tron. Search for Tron here. Yes. After putting the Tron, you put the amount of the Tron you want to transfer. Maybe this 50 Tron. You want to change the Tron to, let's say, DOGE. I want to change it to DOGE. And you look for your DOGE here. Yeah, this is DOGE coin. Yes, you want to transfer 50 Tron. That means 50 Tron calculating will give us 250 DOGE. Next thing I'm going to do is that you put your DOGE address that you want to receive the DOGE. You put it here. You put it here. You go to your Trust Wallet to get it. Let's go. Okay, let's go forward. This is a DOGE. You click on receive, click on copy. And go to the browser bar. You put your DOGE coin that you want to receive the TRX. After that, you see fixed rate 1%. You choose the 0.5% because that one is very small. You click on exchange now. Click on exchange now. It takes at least 15 minutes to deflect. The next thing I'm going to do is that, remember, you're transferring from TRX to what? To Dogecoin. You copy the TRX wallet that you want to fund with 50 TRX, and you go to your Trust Wallet. Do that. It takes what? 30 minutes. Go to your Trust Wallet. Because now I'm not transferring anything. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Okay, there. Put the amount 50. You can continue and you send. Because I'm not transferring anything, that's why no doing it. After that, you wait at least like 25 minutes so I can confirm. Please don't leave the site. Just be calm. After transfer, just stay there to automatically transfer to your DOGE wallet. Please, if you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to this channel and watch some of my videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, guys.